I'm inside my garage, just enjoying the sounds of the rain. It sounds really pretty because this is a tin roof in the garage, so just thought I'd share the noise that the rain's making on the tin roof, and also just wanted to share another day. I woke up, thank goodness, I've been given another day, and I've come across some information I wanted to share that I'm realizing, even if I'm not feeling my best, we need to move. So I've worked on a few videos that I wanted to, and while I was waiting on them to download, I just moved my arms and my legs and stuff, and even got up and kind of not jumping jacks, but kind of, moving in place, because I've come across that just moving your body, it's what we need to do. So thought I would share that information that I've come across, and also just to share the rainy day. This is under the little canopy thing we fixed up in the backyard. I'm now sitting in the greenhouse, and as you can see, the stepping stones that we put in, I'm very glad we got those the other day. So it was really nice to be able to walk in here and not step in muddy water. Yep, see how wet it is there? Oh yeah.